Hello, my name is Navpreet and this is 5.2p task of OOPS unit, and I will explain the concepts used in part 4 of it, which are abstraction and encapsulation in my banking system program. So let me show you my complete banking program first. So this is my complete banking program. So let's talk about abstraction first. So abstraction means showing only important details and hiding internal complexity. In my program, I have different classes which have different roles. So like this is the account class. So account class is responsible for storing account details and handling deposit and withdrawal. So this is the deposit transaction class which handles only deposit operations. The withdrawal transaction class handles withdrawal operations. So this is the transfer transaction class. The transfer transaction class handles the transfer money between two accounts. For example, I want to transfer money from Navpreet account to Gaurav account. So the transfer transaction class is responsible for that. So each class has specific role and the user does not need to know how everything works internally. This is abstraction because we are focusing on what the object does, not how it does it. So now next concept is encapsulation. Encapsulation means hiding data and controlling access through methods. In my program, all variable like balance, private are private. We cannot access them directly. For example, the account class, for example, the account class has a private balance variable. We can only modify it using method like deposit and withdrawal. In transfer transaction class, wait a second. So, so this is the transfer transaction class. Encapsulation is shown. It uses deposit transaction and withdraw transaction internally. So the user does not know how the transfer is happening. The logic is hidden inside the class. So from outside we just call execute and the transfer happens. This show encapsulation because internal details are hidden. So a real life example, in real life when we use a banking app, we just click the transfer button. We don't see the how the system processes it internally. Similarly, my program hides the internal working and only shows the result. So my program successfully demonstrates abstraction and encapsulation using different classes and control access to the data. So thank you so much.